Welcome back to Trading IQ, where we will learn the unlimited nature of the stock market. Myself, Rajdip, and I'm here to share my experience with you all. Today's video is dedicated to those who are interested in investing but do not have the courage, and to those who do not know anything about the stock market but want to learn. So let's begin our journey. In today's video, we will learn why we should invest in the stock market, why should you take the risk, how and where to start. Now let's discuss about why you should invest in the stock market. But before that, let's go back and discuss some real life examples. So, the day you were born, you became an integral part of the stock market. You would ask how? Well, as a baby, products such as baby powder, baby shampoo, toys, etc. are in huge demand, right? And companies such as Johnson and Johnson are producing such products. So you are directly helping their top line revenue as a baby. Of course, you are not directly doing that, but your parents are doing that, right? Your parents are the direct customer of Johnson and Johnson, and Johnson and Johnson is listed on the stock exchange, right? So if its products are so trusted, why there is any confusion in investing in this company and ride their profit growth? Many of you must have SBI savings account. So you are trusting with all your hard-earned money with SBI. So you trust SBI with your dear life. So why don't you invest in SBI stock? By the way, SBI produced a profit over 200% since last year. So you have to accept the fact that you belong to the stock market, and it is your every right to be invested in the stock market, which is a part of the Indian economy. Now let's discuss why should you take the risk. Well, our current inflation is around 6% and it is rapidly growing. And you can see that the prices of many products are currently inflated. So inflation is nowhere to go. It is here and it will rapidly grow. Now banks these days pay interest rate below 4% on your savings account. So whatever money sitting idle on your savings account that you don't need for the next few months or maybe year, then you can use that money to invest in such companies which you trust the most. Remember, the greatest risk one can ever take is to be afraid of taking the risk. So you have to take the risk. Let's say you are a successful doctor, but you did not become successful in one day, right? The day you graduated or were choosing your stream and decided that you wanted to be a doctor, that day you had taken the biggest risk of your life, because you must have so much confusion whether it would work, whether it would not, whether you would take engineering or other stream, right? So the day you took that decision of becoming a doctor, that is the day you took the biggest risk in your life. And see, if you are a successful doctor now, how well it is rewarding you, that one big decision. So without taking risk, you won't be able to achieve success. To start, you simply need a demat account, which is similar to the bank account that you use. The procedure of opening a demat account is similar to opening a bank account. And there are trusted brokers like Zerodha, Upstocks, which you can use, and there are others, ICICI Direct and HDFC Securities, and other bank also has that their trading department altogether. So you can go with them. If you have an account with ICICI, you could go with ICICI Securities. Now, what to buy? As a beginner, I would suggest you to make a list of all the trusted products or companies that you use or work for, and then invest in small amount in each of the companies. And remember, do not invest money that you would need in the next month or in the next 3 months. Once you're invested, your brain will inspire you to learn more about the stock market because you're now in the game. If you're not in the game, you will never learn anyhow. And on Trading IQ, I promise you that I'll bring you all the contents, all the learning possible for you to master the stock market. So again, I would request you to please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. And I promise you, I'll inspire you to take the first step in the stock market. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful day.